Well, the language debate is back. Last evening, DMK MP Kanimuri tweeted and said that she met a CISF officer at the Chennai airport and she was asked whether she was Indian or not on account of not being able to speak Hindi. She has claimed that there is a language bias and that has triggered a massive political fight as well. Congress leader P. Chidambaram has come out and backed the DMK MP, demanding that all central government employees must be bilingual and able to speak Hindi and English. So a language war that has been triggered by the latest tweet that has been put out by DMK MP Kanimuri. Let's listen in.
No, I was shocked. This happened in Chennai airport and we were going through the security and she was giving me instructions I could not understand. So I asked her to, speak to me in English or in Tamil. And her response was, if you're Indian, how can you not speak Hindi? So I said, you cannot decide who I am and I'm going to complain, and it didn't bother her even after she knew that I was an MP. Many people have shared their own personal experiences that, how they were discriminated against and how they were insulted because they could not speak Hindi, and these messages have come from all over the country. So I think it's a general attitude. And that has to be changed, that if you do not speak Hindi and if you are not in a particular way, then you're less of an Indian. I think that has to change. Because, none of us are less than anybody and, less Indian than others. Just because we don't speak a particular language or we don't believe in one particular faith or whatever it is. It is diversity.
उन्होंने अपने पेन को बहुत अच्छे से कहा। सीआईएसएफ के उस ऑफिशियल को या जो भी हों, उनको कहा कि आप तमिल या इंग्लिश में बोलिए। उसके जवाब में कहा जाता है कि आर यू नॉट एन इंडियन और आर यू एन इंडियन। कब ये तय हो गया कि हिंदुस्तान एक ही भाषा बोलने वाले का हिंदुस्तान है? इतनी भाषा और बोलियां हमारी समृद्ध इतिहास का हिस्सा रही हैं, विरासत का। ये हम सबको सोचना होगा कि एक मुल्क के रूप में हमारी समझ इतनी बौनी और कलुषित क्यों होती जा रही है। अगर कनिमोई, जो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लीडर हैं, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं, अगर उनके साथ हो रहा है, तो ये जो हमने एक नई तान अपने मुल्क में छेड़ दी है ना, एक नया सुर छेड़ दिया है, ये सुर हिंदुस्तान के मिजाज के अनुरूप नहीं है। कम से कम इस घटना के बाद कोर्स करेक्शन होना चाहिए।